Hey guys, so the next video is Shiri's birthday. I don't know. It wasn't really a gift. It was more just, her outing, if you'd say. We went to a seahorse farm, which before we actually went to Hawaii, she actually found this place. It's It's really close next to the Kona Airport on the Big Island of Hawaii, and it's pretty cool. It was right at the beginning of the whole COVID-19 issues that were starting to happen in the U.S., and so things started closing up. So they started restricting a lot of accessibility to different activities on the island. But anyways, so here's a 1-minute video of it. Yeah, sorry for looking this way. Look at you guys. Hi. Anyways, I miss you guys. I have to tell you guys about game night and where we are now, because it's been a few weeks and I've been really busy. But anyways, enjoy the video. They're really cute. I'm really glad we got to go. You were supposed to hold the seahorses, but because of this stupid pandemic, they couldn't let you anymore. We didn't want to get the seahorses sick. And you can actually buy these seahorses. They started this whole thing because people were taking seahorses off of the reef and having them as pets. These ones are homegrown, and they know when food is coming, so you can feed them, which you'll see in this video right now. All right, bye.
Go ahead and dump it into the middle of the tank on the count of 3.
All right, go.
Ready?
Open it. Ready?
1, 2, 3.
Let's see them. Oh, look, here they come.
And behold the blinding speed of a seahorse. So this is actually a seahorse at their top speed. They are not very good swimmers and they don't do it very often. You may notice one seahorse that's hooked onto another one and just hitched a ride all the way to the top. Didn't do any work for their snack this morning. Seahorses are very lazy swimmers and they don't do it very often. Once they hook their tail onto something, they're going to stay there as long as they possibly can. What do you notice about the food that we just gave them that's different than the food we fed their parents in there?
It had a slimy film on it.
Yeah.
And
yeah.
And they were dead.
And
they're dead.
And they're dead,
yeah.
probably.
So this is actually frozen mysis shrimp. Mysis is invasive in the freshwater lakes of Canada. So Canadian fishermen go out and collect it. They sell it to pet stores in places like us so that we can feed our aquarium fish.
I wish I was able to film a lot more. Unfortunately, you couldn't film the sea dragons. They were in a separate room that was very dark. And I guess there's one guy in the world that catches them from out in the wild and brings them into captivity from aquariums and stuff like that in the seahorse farm. Which the seahorse farm, they do not sell sea dragons to the public, so they're privately owned to this seahorse farm. Oh, and they cost $10,000 or $11,000 a piece. Isn't that crazy? So a sea dragon costs that much. So whenever you see them at aquariums, just add up how many are in the tank there, and that's how much they spent for each one. There's only one guy in the world that is allowed to catch them. No one else in the world is allowed to, and I guess that's like some government rule that a bunch of countries agreed on. So that guy's got it made. Hi. So I guess we'll go into the next video, which everybody has to do when they go to Hawaii. There's a location off the shore of the Sheraton Hotel on Kona, or in the city of Kona, where you can go swimming with Reef manta rays. They're the biggest manta rays in the world. And they grow, well, the ones that we were with were 9 to 11 feet in width, and they can grow up to 18 feet in width. Isn't that crazy? So yeah, so enjoy that video. It was so much fun. So worth it. Okay, sorry to take you guys away from the manta rays, but I wanted to really show you guys this shower head. I'm not sponsored by American Standard or any product whatsoever, but this thing is fantastic. So there's 3 sections where water comes out, as you can tell, and this just pops off because it's a magnet. So it's not, it doesn't really hook on, or you have to push it and damage anything. It's fantastic. And then when you want to switch the modes on this, you just, oh my God, I'm getting wet. You click, that's it. Usually you have to like rotate and use both hands, and it's really tough because the pressure's already built in there because of the water. And if you want to shut off the sides, there's a little handle right here, and it gives you more power or pressure. It's fantastic. Oh, and it's by American Standard. You could get it at Home Depot. Again, I'm not sponsored. I just want you guys to have an enjoyable shower. This is fantastic. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed those videos. That was pretty much it for the Hawaii trip. The poke bowls are fantastic there. The calamari at one bar that was down the street, and I forgot what it was called, was unbelievable. I've never had calamari like this. It's not rubber band texture or anything real chewy. It was so good. I'll put the restaurant name in the details below. And the poke bowl place as well. That was in Kona. Freaking amazing. Let's see, what else was I gonna tell you? Oh, I lost my drone and managed to get it back. It says the range on it was 2.5 miles. I got it out to 3 miles. Then there wasn't enough battery life to get it back to the house. So it landed itself in a development in a cul-de-sac. Luckily, it wasn't a gated community or the forest that's over there. And landed on a manhole cover 1.5 miles away from where we were. So I got in the car, and it actually says find my drone, and it uses a GPS and routes you exactly where your drone is. It's pretty cool. For this kind of drone, I mean, the drone was $400. It's DJI is the company, and they fit in the palm of your hand. They're like this big. It's amazing. It's amazing. Sorry, I don't know why it's so weird. What else? I don't know. I think that's it for now. I feel like there was one more thing. I always forget. Oh well, I think that's it. All right, I will talk to you guys later. Have a good week. Oh, if you guys want to do game nights, let me know. We do game nights once, twice, 3 times a week with different friends. We have friends in Australia. We have friends in Indiana, New York, California, just all over the place that we do game night with. Hawaii, which is my sister. She lives out there, so we do game night with them. It's a lot of fun. We have a ton of games from Jackbox Games. They have different packs, and they're like $12 to like $20 for 5 board games, and they're really entertaining games. So it's a lot of fun. All right, I will talk to you guys later. Have a great week, and I will update you guys as to what is going on in our lives in the next video. Bye.